We were just worried about their bottom line.
I called someone who knows how these insurance companies work.
Calthus and Macklin. They know injury law.
The call was free.
And they started working on my case right away.
You got the compensation you deserve.
The hurt line. I received more than I ever thought I'd get. Calthus and Macklin.
Tell them you mean business. Call Calthus Macklin on the hurt line right now.
Look at her, Mama. She's so cute. Can I get her, please?
We'll see, dear. This Christmas, find what speaks to you at Pier 1 in Wards.
Meet Lakeisha. She discovered hands-on learning at NCPI University.
Let me see your molar. Ah! Silly Baba. I love you.